I just bought this set for my daughter. I thought I would show you what's inside, what it comes with, and tell you why we like these. So we have the brushes like this, and then we have like silicone brushes on either side. I'm going to open them up. They do come with a couple of different sizes of these brushes. So I'm going to show you, I don't know, if it might be hard to see. Maybe it'll be easier like that. Oh, I don't know. It's kind of hard to see, but there is a thicker brush right here and a thinner brush right here. They both have that, the same texture. It's like a bristle brush, and they both feel like they're gonna work really well, maybe in different areas. So this will be great for bigger gaps. This will be great for smaller gaps. And between both of them, I think all gaps will be covered. So like I said, my daughter has braces. She used to have a expander on the top of her mouth. Luckily that is gone, but that was another thing, another place that food would get stuck. So these things, these little brushes were invaluable just to get things out of where they don't need to be. So this is a smaller brush. I'm not sure if that's gonna show the bristles, but it's pretty small. What other things come with this, I'll show you, are these on the bottom. I'll show you in person or pulled out, but these are like kind of like silicone brushes, I want to say. They are like a silicone texture. You can pull this off, then you'll have up for in between braces, in between orthodontic gear, and then you also have this little pick that's like almost like a flosser, but it definitely would work in between your teeth, you know, just pulling it up like that and getting stuff out of there. So ultimately, I'm very excited to use these. I think it'll work well for my daughter and her braces, and hopefully make keeping her mouth and her oral hygiene up to par. Hopefully this will make things a little easier for her. So if you are interested, if you have braces or your children have braces, or if you just have some gaps that you like to use these for, I think these are a great option, great value. I would highly recommend them.